The Gradebook is the center for tracking all of your students' submissions in one easy-to-locate module. Each student submission is automatically added to the Gradebook under the corresponding unit and section of where the student's submission took place. To locate the Gradebook, select the Gradebook icon in the top right navigation panel. In this example, the Gradebook module has already been selected. The Gradebook is designed for each student to receive a grade for each unit created. Each unit grade is comprised of the assignments you as the instructor have deployed within the unit sections. In the top left, you will notice that you can toggle between viewing the unit grades and viewing the individual section assignment grades. All section assignments comprise the unit grade. Then all unit grades comprise the final grade. When students create submissions to your assignments, they will be marked orange, meaning the instructor has not yet reviewed. When you as the instructor grade the student's submission, the submission box will turn green, and an email will be sent to the student notifying them their submission has been reviewed. In order to review each submission entered, right-click on the submission entered. There you will see the list of submissions as well as their corresponding submission date for that student. Selecting the submission will enter you into the course material that the submission is for. Each unit grade is weighted evenly to the final average, and each section assignment grade is weighted to the corresponding unit grade. To change the weight percentage, select the settings icon under each column. There you can manage grade metadata as well as the official weight. When assignments are entered, the weights are calculated and added to the total. As stated previously, all section assignments comprise the total unit grade. All unit grades total the final grade. When it is time to calculate the final grade for a student, the instructor has two options, which is to pass or fail. By selecting one of these options, if the student passes, the student will receive the certificate of completion linked to this course if there is any. Certificate generation will be covered later in this course.